So if you've been following me for the last week or so, you will know I broke my jigsaw and I'm in the middle of getting ready for Halloween, so it wasn't a good time. But it turned out it was a good time because in Lidl, whatever you call it, they have jigsaws on sale at the minute. Just so you know, there are two types of jigsaws. There's one that's battery and the battery isn't included. I went for the power. Good thing about this one is the power cable is a lot longer than the last jigsaw I had, so I'm really pleased with that. And let's see what else I like about it. It's quite heavy. Don't know what this is for, but we'll soon find out. Is there no blade included? Huh? Why is there no blade? What kind of a jigsaw is that? Includes a high quality wood saw blade. It's in the envelope. High quality wood saw blade. Now, does it have the Allen key to actually change the blade? Oh, it was here on the cable. Patience isn't my strong point. Okay, so how do we put this guy in? I need to check the manual. I'll be back in a minute. One moment, please. Okay, it is super easy. This button here, slide it to the right and then get your blade and you pop it in. Make sure it clicks in place and it's secure. That's it. And I have got it locked. Yeah, there's a little lock sign. You can't see it in this video. Oh my god, let's plug her in. I've also noticed just while I was doing that, there's numbers here, so I'm assuming that's speeds. No, I haven't read the instruction book. Normally I'm good at that. I also think there's a light. I'm not sure what these buttons are for. We'll soon find out. Okay. Let's do this. Here's one I was making earlier. This is one of my bats. So I'm going to put this down to is there an on button? Oh, no. You just press the button under there. I'm just going to saw off a bit of this wood. Oh my god, this is like cutting butter compared to the one I had. Holy shit. Let's go fast. Oh my god. Oh my god, it goes faster. Bank holiday weekend. Is there a light? The only thing I would say that's a bit funny, there should be an off button, I think. Maybe there is and I just haven't worked that out. Maybe that's the off button. Oh my god, let's cut some bass. Where am I? Let's try here. Oh my god, this is so exciting. Get in there, baby. Now, there is a little guide, but I like to see the blade. Kind of like, I'm used to sewing, so. This is amazing. I'm only doing this awkwardly because it's a bat. but it's like getting a new scissors cutting fabric. I love it. Okay, this is unbelievable. I cannot believe the jigsaw that I have been using all these years. Oh my god, it is just amazing. And it's actually not that heavy. I thought it was going to be heavy. Oh my god, it just cuts through it like a good scissors through fabric. I love it. The only thing I will say is, I know I said that already, I feel like it's easy to keep the power going. I need to come up with a way to try and explain what I'm saying, but I don't think that's very safe. I feel like there should be a button up here on the top to turn it off, but maybe there is something and I'm just not seeing that just yet. But so far, oh my god, I think it was $24.95. I mean, where would you be going? $24.95. Let's get making some more bats.